If you're seeing the GOG unknown error during an installation or update, don't worry. This is usually a simple folder issue, and in this video I'll show you the quickest fix step by step. This solution works especially well when GOG Galaxy gets stuck, refuses to finish an update, or throws an error because part of the game download files are corrupted or incomplete. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PC gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, close GOG Galaxy completely. If it's running in the background, make sure you exit it fully so the files are not in use while you make changes. Next, open File Explorer and go to the game's install directory. The path you want to check is C/program files x86 GOG Galaxy games your game file / downloads. Inside that folder, you may see temporary download data that GOG is trying to use for the installation or update. Now, you have two options here. You can either rename the .downloads folder or delete it entirely. If you want to be extra careful, I recommend renaming it first so you have a backup just in case. For example, you can change the name to something like Downloads Old. If that doesn't matter to you, you can simply delete the folder. The important part is that GOG no longer sees the broken download data when it starts again. Once that folder is renamed or removed, reopen GOG Galaxy and go back to the game. Start the installation or update again. At this point, GOG should detect that the old files are gone and automatically re-download whatever content it needs. This usually clears the unknown error and allows the update to complete successfully. If the game begins downloading again, that is a good sign. Let it finish completely and avoid interrupting the process. Depending on how much data needs to be replaced, this may take a few minutes. After it's done, launch the game and confirm everything is working normally. If you still run into issues, double check that you renamed or deleted the correct downloads folder inside the exact game directory. Also make sure there are no leftover files locking the install. In most cases though, this one fix is enough to solve the GOG unknown error and get your game updated without any further trouble. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, gaming tips, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.